Star Health offers policy for a young age group at affordable cost. Young Star covers 18 to 40 age group for adult and child from 91 days to 25 years. This plan provides lifetime renewal guarantee with 1 year and 2-year premium paying term. This policy is for both individual and floater basis. Consists of total 9 sum insured for individual 3 lakhs to 1 crore and for floater 5 lakhs to 1 crore. Maximum family size can be 2 adult plus 3 child. Mid-term inclusion of adult and child is allowed in case of marriage and newborn baby by paying respective proportionate premium. This plan consists of 2 variants, silver and gold. Gold comprises additional feature of delivery and hospital cash. Following benefits are available in this policy. Room rent benefit is single standard AC room. ICU at actual basis. Proportionate to room rent is doctor fees, medical services and drugs with medicines. Ambulance cost is available at actual basis for shifting patient to hospital and also for hospital to hospital shifting. All daycare procedure are allowed. Pre-hospitalization 60 days and post-hospitalization is 90 days. Automatic sum insured is triggered on partial and complete utilization of sum insured and can be availed for same person and same disease. Additional sum insured for road traffic accident of 25% is provided with condition of wearing helmet during the accident. This plan offers no claim bonus of 20% on claim-free year, maximum up to 100%. Health checkup is given irrespective of claim every year. For individual, it is Rs 1,500 to 3,500 and for floater, it is Rs 3,000 to 5,000. In both the cases available depending on sum insured. This plan provides free second medical opinion. Delivery benefit is only applicable for gold variant, where coverage for delivery is 30,000 irrespective of sum insured and also irrespective of normal or C-section. Waiting period of 36 months is for husband and wife in the policy. Hospital cash is for only gold variant. Hospital cash Rs 1,000 is available per day for 7 days in one hospitalization, maximum up to 14 days in a year. 1 day will be considered as deductible. This plan offers 10% discount on every renewal after age 40, where client opt for policy before age 36 and pays premium without break up to age 40. 4 installment option available: monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly. Wellness program in this plan offers 2 to 10% discount on renewal. Eligibility for 80D tax benefit. Exclusion consists of some extraordinary benefit. Diseases covered after 30 days. Specified diseases and pre-existing disease are covered after 12 months. So Star Health Insurance Company celebrates and supports youth empowerment.